Tired of cookie cutter homes and crowded neighborhoods? Imagine owning your custom built retreat on over 4 acres where your mornings can start with pond views and you can end the day next to your cozy stone fireplace. This is a rare find in the Lowcountry because this home offers more than just space. It offers character and craftsmanship. And oh, by the way, did I mention no HOAs? So let's take a tour of what makes 5919 Jefferies Highway so unforgettable. This one-of-a-kind handcrafted home is tucked away on just over 4 acres. Its location allows nature to surround you, but allows convenience to be close by. In fact, dining, shopping, schools, and medical facilities are only about 5 minutes away. And because the home is located in the front porch of the Lowcountry, it's less than an hour from historic Charleston. The property sprawls across 4.2 acres and offers plenty of space to garden, roam, and enjoy the outdoors. It currently has mature producing muscadine grapevines that typically ripen around August of each year. And for those who are travelers, the property has utility connections for RVs. While the property itself is truly one of a kind, it's the home that makes this retreat unforgettable. A place where craftsmanship, comfort, and natural beauty come together in perfect harmony. This 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home spans nearly 2,000 square feet and is built with beautiful Canadian cedar that gives the home warmth, strength, and character you won't find in mass-produced builds. At the heart of the living space is something truly special. A hand-laid stone fireplace built from the stones gathered from the creeks of the Appalachian Mountains. It's not just a focal point, it's a statement of craftsmanship and history, perfect for cozy evenings or special gatherings. The oversized master bedroom serves as your personal retreat, complete with a spacious walk-in closet, a private master bathroom, and tranquil views of the pond. The bedroom has French doors leading directly onto the full-length screened front porch. This is the ideal place to sip your morning coffee, relax with a good book, or take in the beauty of a Lowcountry sunset. Homes like this are rare, especially in the Lowcountry. With its handcrafted charm, unique materials, and tranquil surroundings, 5519 Jefferies Highway is more than just a place to live. It's a one-of-a-kind retreat you'll be proud to call home. So if you're ready to experience the charm and peace this unique property has to offer, call or text us today to schedule your private showing. We'd love to help you make this property your next home.